For this season of A Life More Wild, as well as walks with interesting guests, we're bringing you something a little different. As part of our work with the charity Campaign for National Parks, we're creating seasonal soundscapes from some of the UK's most precious green spaces. In the company of a local, you'll walk the moors, hills and riversides of some of our national parks, immersing yourself in the weather and the wilderness. We start with spring in Eryri, where you'll follow Rhys, a shepherd in Dolgellau, through a morning of rather mixed weather with his flock.
So we're here in Rhys, south of Meirionnydd. The farm is called Dolgellau. We're surrounded by mountains, so there's the Ddeallt and the Aran and Eryri you can see from the farm. At the moment we're sat in the Land Rover. I've got the quad back in the trailer and the dog and the sheep feed ready to do the daily feeding. We'll go for a bit of a walk. It's a nice time of the year to be on the farm. Winter, it's very wet, it's very cold. There's no grass growing, but once we reach April, you know, spring is on its way. There's more colour, there's loads of bluebells around the farm at the moment. Hopefully we hear the cuckoo, and it's raining. It's raining quite a bit, so yeah, we'll be able to hear the river and the waterfall, which is really nice. Right, out I go. Mossy boy. Oh boy. Settle. Moss has been with me since September 2020. He's a faithful old boy. Oh boy. Come by. So yeah, we can just follow this track up. Brilliant. Here in Wales, national parks, you know, they're living, breathing places. You're part of a community of people working the land, which is really, really nice and special. Simba, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. We lamb in April, so the lambs now are, you know, some will be just a few weeks old. Hey, my boy. It was my granddad on my mother's side who farmed here first in the family. You know, I couldn't imagine doing anything else now. I love it. Hey, my boy. The bird life here is really nice. It's a bit of a kind of soundtrack for me during lambing. I like the pied flycatcher, the gwyddbedog brith in Welsh. Also the red start or tingoch, so they're woodland birds. Got the cuckoo or the gorg. A bird I often hear here as well would be the jay, or sgrech y coed. And I really like that Welsh name because it's quite descriptive, yeah? Because sgrech y coed literally translates to, you know, the scream of the woods, or the wood scream. Oh boy, come by. Small areas of standing water like a pond is actually quite a rare habitat, and it's just nice for your soul, isn't it, being next to water and the calming presence. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh. Oh boy. You know, a lot of the farm is quite blue. There's a lot of wild garlic and bluebells. The higher up we go, the more rugged the farm gets, really. The more natural it gets. So we're kind of moving on now to the open hill. Beyond the trees here, there's Garreg Lysog, which is Bilberry Rock in English, a prominent peak on the mountain. The hail's coming in now. It's been chucking it down with rain, then it's been blue sky, and now there's hailstone. Oh boy! Start, start. That's it all. Whip, whip. Oh boy.
Thanks for joining us in Eryri. We'll see you again soon for another soothing national park soundscape. Please remember to rate and review A Life More Wild wherever you get your podcasts. It really helps.